Are you using the wrong BP cuff for your patient? If you are, you're getting very inaccurate blood pressures. If you're using too small of a blood pressure cuff, then you're going to find that your readings are too high. If you're using too big of a blood pressure cuff, then your readings are going to be awfully low. And this mistake happens all the time. The American Heart Association actually found that using a blood pressure cuff that's too small for your patient actually overestimated blood pressures by 20 points. So think about a patient that you think that's going to be in a decompensated state of shock. If you use a blood pressure that's too small, you might have an overestimated blood pressure and give you a false sense of security. So if it doesn't fit, don't use it. Make sure the cuff is covering at least 2/3 of the arm. And if you hear this rip when you're filling up the cuff, you know that the cuff is too small. So if that's the case, use a bigger cuff. And if you have a larger patient, then use a thigh cuff on the upper arm. It's way more accurate than squeezing on too small of a cuff. So remember, BP cuff size does matter. And if you want to get accurate blood pressures, you need to use the right cuff. We've helped over 30,000 paramedic and EMT students sail through school and crush their exam. Any subject you struggle with, we have a fun, visual, and engaging class to help you master it. If you're ready, start a 3-day free trial right now and watch your school stress melt away.